we are going to talk about how to sketch the graph of a hyperbolic function. So let's write here hyperbolic function. Now the general form of a hyperbolic function is given by f of x equal to a over x plus p plus q. That's the general form of the hyperbolic function, where a determines the quadrant in which our graph is going to be. P, the letter P there, stands for the horizontal shift. Letter P stands for the horizontal shift. The Q that we have there, the letter Q, stands for the vertical shift. P, that's the horizontal shift, whereas Q is the vertical shift. And A, we have said it gives us the quadrant. Remember, we have got the 4 quadrants: first, second, third, and fourth quadrants. Right, now with this information, we also know that, or this implies that, x equal to minus p as well as y equal to q. You see, x equal to minus p, it's like we are solving this one, x plus p equal to 0. Then x will be equal to negative p, and then you take this one as it is, y equal to q. These ones, they give us what we call asymptotes. These are our asymptotes. Asymptotes, that's where your graph is undefined. Now let's look at an example. Using this information that we have, let's look at an example. Given the function f of x equal to 3 over x plus 1 minus 2. We can already see that this function is a hyperbolic function. We have the a value, which is positive. We have the horizontal shift, there it is, plus 1, as well as the vertical shift, the negative 2, right? Straight away from there, for you to be able to sketch this graph, you need to come up with what you call the asymptotes. As I explained before, the asymptotes. Our asymptotes are x equal to negative 1. Remember, I said x plus 1 equal to 0, then it's like you're solving it. When you solve it, then you get x equal to negative 1. And y, the y, you take it as it is, so y equal to negative 2. We now have the asymptotes. Once you have the asymptotes, like there, the next thing that we need are the intercepts. We need to have the intercepts. On the intercepts, we talk of the y-intercept. This one is the easier one of the two. We talk of the y-intercept. Remember, we get the y-intercept when x equal to 0. So you need to go back to your function. We go back to our function, f of x equal